Let's check out a brand new Winnebago Navion 24D at Colonial RV. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Turbo Diesel 3500 series chassis at 24 feet long. When you walk in, there's a U-shaped dinette that folds into a bed. Up front, there's 2 swivel chairs and a dinette table that assembles in the middle. All the Mercedes-Benz best-in-class features. Over the cab, there's a bed for 2 with a ladder. Extra seating, these things kick up here. Absolutely beautiful galley kitchen. Look at these upper roof lockers, all the storage in here. It has a double sink. Look how deep it is. Has a pull-out. Window with screen and shade. Wide open storage below. There's even a drawer here. Convection microwave, induction cooktop, gas cooktop. 3 drawers here and they're all lit. Equipped with a diesel generator, solar panels, inverter system, and leveling jacks. Also has this large refrigerator. Pantry storage here. More storage here. Very spacious rear bath with shower. Wardrobe here. Check out this Murphy bed. Thing's pretty sweet, huh?